try to recreate this look by Mrunal Panchal, and I'm super excited. It's gonna be more of like doing the makeup than talking. So yeah, if you're into that, then make sure to watch the video till the end. Like the basic makeup things, and for that I'm gonna need some foundation. I have already applied some skincare stuff on my face, like my skin is kind of like ready for the makeup now, so I'm gonna like apply the foundation. So now with the concealer, I'm just gonna cover the spots on my face. So before blending this concealer out, I'm just gonna let it sit here for a while for like better coverage effect, and I'm gonna take this lighter shade of foundation to just highlight my under eyes. Just a very little bit. Okay, so I guess here my base is done. Now I'm gonna add the colors. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start with the eyeshadow because I am gonna do the eyebrows at the very end because I don't want the colors to go over them. So I'm just gonna conceal my eyelids from like the very end of my eyebrows. So she has done this pink eyeshadow, which is like a very purplish pink, so I'm gonna do that as well. look that I created. And if you liked this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. If you didn't like it, dislike this video and subscribe to my channel to never miss any other updates from me on YouTube and hit the bell icon to watch my videos first. I will see you guys on my next one. Until then, please stay safe, stay happy, and yeah, keep playing with makeup if you like that. Bye.